Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about binary chemical compounds. By the end, you will see that these compounds are not just in textbooks, they are part of the world around you. Here's the lesson outline for today. First, we'll explain what a compound is. Second, we will look at what binary compounds are. Third, we'll explain valency. Fourth, we will see how to write chemical formulas. Fifth, we'll talk about the types of binary compounds. And finally, we'll explore their uses in everyday life. Let's start with something simple. What is a compound? A compound is when two or more elements come together to form a new substance. Think of water. Alone, hydrogen is a gas, and oxygen is also a gas. But when they combine, we get liquid water, something totally new and useful. That's a compound. Salt is another example. Sodium and chlorine come together to make sodium chloride. If you've eaten kenke with pepper today, you've probably tasted this compound. Now, let's zoom in. What do we mean by a binary compound? The word binary means two. So, binary compounds are made of only two different elements. Not three, not four, just two. Water, H2O, is made of hydrogen and oxygen, two elements. Salt, NaCl, is made of sodium and chlorine, also two. Easy, right? Let me ask you, can you think of another substance at home that might be made of just two elements? But to really understand how these compounds form, we need to talk about valency. Valency is the combining power of an element. Imagine elements as friends trying to hold hands. Some can hold one hand, some can hold two, some can hold three. Sodium, for example, can hold one hand. That's why its valency is 1. Oxygen can hold two hands. Its valency is 2. This hand holding is how atoms connect to form compounds. So how do we use valency to write formulas? We use the crossover method. Let's try sodium and chlorine. Sodium's valency is 1. Chlorine's valency is also 1. Cross them over, 1 to 1, and you get NaCl. Done. Now, aluminium and oxygen. Aluminium has valency 3. Oxygen has valency 2. Cross them over, and you get aluminium oxide. See how the numbers balance out? This method makes sure all the hands are held properly. There are different types of binary compounds. The first type is ionic compounds. These are made when a metal and a non-metal combine, like sodium chloride, NaCl, or calcium oxide, CaO. The second type is covalent compounds, which form when two non-metals combine, like carbon dioxide, CO2, or ammonia, NH3. The third type is binary acids. These happen when hydrogen combines with a non-metal, like hydrochloric acid, HCl. Now, what do we actually use these compounds for? Salt, NaCl, is used to season food and also preserve it. Water, H2O, is for drinking, washing, and cooking. Carbon dioxide, CO2, makes our drinks fizzy and is also used in fire extinguishers. Lime, CaO, is used for making mortar and cement. Without it, we couldn't build houses and schools. So you see, binary compounds are not far away. They are part of our daily lives. So let's recap our outline one more time. A compound is when elements combine to form something new. A binary compound is made of just two elements. Valency is the combining power of an element. We write formulas using the crossover method. Binary compounds can be ionic, covalent, or acids. And finally, they have many uses from food to construction to safety. And that brings us to the end of this lesson on binary compounds. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.